Where are the buzzards now?
To the right,
To the right.
Stay on.
Jeremiah, I'm right here. I can see us. I know where we are. They're camouflaged against the ground.
Straight ahead.
Got him. Dang, he's more maneuverable than I am at this speed.
Yeah, there's a...
Come back. Here we go.
10 or 12 of them. Yeah, you lose.
Go.
Like some guns on that thing.
Yeah, I know. Like. There's the house. All right, there's my approach.
All right, I think you come in through this yard.
Wow. Ah!
No, it was that one.
Oh, the plane didn't fit.
No.
I was like, it might fit. What? Ah, I still clipped the tree. I just barely clipped that tree.